nieces and nephews, welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen. And for those of you that are running through my kitchen, I hope you grab a seat, stick a while, hit that like and subscribe button if you choose to, so you can become a niece and nephew and start hanging out at these family reunions. Okay, today we are going to be making smothered turkey wings. Okay, so we're going to do I don't have to do a flip and a slip, you know, rumble, stumbles, and crumbles. So we're going to do a flip down, and I'm going to show you everything that we need, that you would need to make these delicious smothered turkey wings from Auntie No's. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're going to start out with some nice, clean turkey wings, no tips. I like whole wings. I don't like them split. So I'm going to add some onion powder. But first I'm going to do this. Add my little olive oil. I forgot to do that. Add my little olive oil on them. And make sure when you're dealing with your wings, now make sure you go through them and make sure that you get any feathers while you're cleaning them. Clean them with some vinegar and some lemon juice, a little baking soda. Gonna add some onion powder. Don't matter. Add a little black pepper. Get on in there. Now this is some chicken seasoning. And I'm going to tell you what this is. It's that chicken in the bag stuff. You know, the bag seasoning. I just buy a bunch of it. And I put it in a container. And I just love the flavor that it gives chicken. Of any kind of poultry. Chicken, turkey. I don't know about duck. Never cooked duck before. Okay. Some garlic powder. Not too much garlic powder. Okay. Now I'm going to get my gloves and we're going to rub these babies down. And this is just part one. Haven't gotten to part two yet, because we're going to cook them till they're nearly done. Then we'll go on to part two. I'm going to rub these babies down. That's why I use the olive oil on them so my seasonings will stick really well. Get all that goodness around here. It's all your seasoning, that's goodness. Oh, yeah, get all that goodness in there. So I said I didn't leave my tips. Okay, got them all seasoned down now. I'm going to throw some onions. Just throw some onions in here. You know, just throw a little onions. You know, you can throw a lot of onion. You can throw a little bit of onion. You can throw as much onion as you like. If you like a lot of onion, throw a lot of onions. I'm mainly doing this for flavor. Gotta get some flavor. Throw some bell peppers around here for some flavor. Throw them in some crevices. I prefer turkey than I do chicken. I can eat turkey wings and turkey necks year round, because that's just my favorite. Okay, got that all down. Throw that over there for a little housekeeping. Now, I'm going to add some broth in here because it's going to make its own juice, so I don't need to add a lot, just a little, because these are going to be stewed, and this is not what I'm going to stew them down in. I just need, this is just going to add to the broth, because you know it's going to make its own juice, its own stock. Add me a little extra of this seasoning here. A little more black pepper. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm going to be baking these on 375, and I will check them in an hour and 15 minutes. And I will see you guys in a snap, okay? Family, our turkey wings are done, so we're going to make our gravy that I'm going to smother them down in. So I need to show you guys. They're nice and done. They're tender, completely done. See, look at there. I can eat turkey. Yum, 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 yum. Nice and tender. Fall off the bone. They're done on the inside. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to prepare the gravy, and then I'm going to stew them down for another hour, okay? Because I want to make sure they're completely done. That was good. I'm going to get the gravy prepared, and what to that gravy, I'm going to show you what you need. Let me get a pot. Now, one more thing, if you don't want to keep them whole, you can tear them apart, you know, like that. You can just all you got to do is just tear them apart, and that way you can have your flat and your drum. You can always just tear them apart. Just get a knife and just pull them apart if you don't want them like that. So let's get started on this gravy. We're going to leave that good stock in there. Now, how I make my gravy for my stewed down turkey wings, I take 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. I added that in. Gonna add some black pepper until I feel like stopping. Add some onion powder. And I do like to add just a little bit of paprika. Now, find my parsley. I don't know why I didn't have that already out. Some dried parsley. And I'm going to just take this and whisk this all together. Just bring it to a, I don't need this to like cook. It's already cooked. Okay, put that over there. I don't need it to cook. Now what I also do, I add a little bit of yellow food coloring just for some color. That's all I do, is just for some color. Give it that good old gravy looking color. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spoon this over the turkey wings. Move this out the way. It's okay, this pan is still hot. And I'm just gonna spoon this over my turkey wings. Because all this is going to just stew on down. It's going to make a great gravy. And the reason why I didn't pour that stock off there, because all that stock has flavor. There's lots of flavor in it. And you don't want to get rid of your flavor. Get all of this all mixed in all around. And I'm going to bake this back, put this back in the oven uncovered. For at least about another 45 minutes. My oven is still set at 375. And you'll see all this is going to just fall off. And it's just going to, all this mixed in with all that broth and these peppers and onion, it's just going to turn into a nice big pan of smothered down turkey wings. And you'll see the end result once all of this is done. And what goes good with turkey wings? What? Dressing. Some people call it stuffing. I don't know why they call it stuffing, but that's what they call it in some places, stuffing. Down here in the South, we call it dressing, right? And where am I? In the South. So I'm going to put these back in the oven for another 45 minutes, and then we'll pop them back. We'll pop back out. Guys, here are the turkey wings. See what I said when I was talking about that cream of chicken soup, stewing them down? This is all good gravy. All this makes the best gravy. Just you can baste them. Put this over your dressing, your mashed potatoes, your rice, whatever you want to serve with it. So, look at that. Doesn't it look delicious? These are Auntie's stewed down turkey wings. This is on the menu for today. Yep. So I'm going to serve this up with some dressing, but I have to make that. So just want you guys to hear the turkey wings. Just want you guys to see all this goodness in here. Put this over here because I need to use that for something. So, hope you guys enjoy this. Look at there. And here they are. Thank you, family. Thank you, nieces and nephews, for hanging out with your auntie in this kitchen while we make these smothered turkey wings. And so they're going to enjoy them. They always do, and I hope you make them for your family and friends, and so you all can enjoy them too. And again, thank you for all your love and support, your kind thoughts, and your comments. In support of my channel. Until the next upload, hugs and kisses to each of you. I love you guys. Till the next upload, see you then. Bye.